3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, we're here with 2020 Vision. So Rob likes my sleeping cap.
Absolutely.
So this is like my ski hat, since we're eventually ended up in Heavenly, right, after all kinds of craziness. But here's the thing I want to thank Rob Gill for. From the bottom of my heart, we would not be making it across the country unless Rob Gill kept checking on the ground. So Rob keeps open the window to check and make sure that we're okay at a distance from the ground. I said, Rob,
absolutely.
The pilot's got that. He's got that. We're like planning on structuring this amazing business with 19 different pieces and facets and everything in the world. But Rob, thank you, brother.
Yeah, because I have to call a timeout every once in a while, open up the window, right? Gets a little bumpy. I want to make sure everything's okay.
And he goes,
and we're good.
And what do you tell me?
I said, Sean, I checked the ground, everything's okay. I'll let the pilot know.
And I thank him. I said, Rob, without you checking, we'd never make it across the country. So listen, Rob's seeing what I don't see, because he sees the ground and I don't.
He can't see it.
Right, so thank God we're here. Have an awesome. We'll see you in a little bit.
Happy Sensational Saturday.